Here's how to zoom into your video in Capcut without losing quality. Whether you're highlighting details or creating dynamic shots, this technique keeps your footage sharp and professional. On your Capcut dashboard, take your video and drag it down to the timeline. The first thing we need to do is add a keyframe. Click this small diamond icon. Once you're here, place a keyframe at the starting point. Next, move to the point where you want the zoom to end and add another keyframe there. Now, let's add a keyframe in the middle. This middle point is where the zoom effect happens. We do this gradually, so the video stays in high quality throughout. From here, we can reposition the frame as needed. We can move the keyframe and adjust the video so that the zoom only affects the selected section. This way, the zoom happens smoothly without affecting the rest of the video. Once everything is set, go ahead and play it back. As you can see, the video will zoom into exactly where we placed the effect. Playing it again, you can see it's zooming in cleanly. By adjusting the video ratio, the quality stays high with no loss at all. And that's how we zoom into videos in Capcut without sacrificing quality. With this method, our edits stay crisp and visually appealing.